Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wilmalene, and today's video we're gonna talk about unboxing with my Valentino. It's my very first purchase from Valentino, so I'm so excited to share with you my happiness, and I hope you enjoy this video too. Before we proceed to that, we're gonna talk about the bag, what kind of leather, the sizes of the bag, how did I got it, and where did I buy it. So yeah, let's go ahead. Have you noticed my hair? It's dark. I just colored it today before I take this video. So what do you think, guys? Do you like my color of my hair? I like it so far. I wanted so bad to open this bag while I'm in London in the apartment, but there was no enough lights the background, so I thought I want to go home first before I do that, because I want to make sure it's all good, the background, I got lights. I closed the curtain to make sure that it's perfect. So here we go. So here's the bags. I've been carrying it through the airport. I did not want it to put in the luggage because I don't want to break it. So I'm just gonna show you the box. Look at that. Oh, it's the other way. How beautiful is that? How the way they wrap the bag. It's so beautiful. It's so red. So before we go there, we're gonna check. Oh, this is what I got emailed from the Chanel when I went to Chanel to refer one of my bag, and this is my confirmation from the US Embassy that my visa is approved, and I get the receipt from the Valentino. I will tell you the price later, guys, after everything. So shall we start? So let's open now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oops. You know, I like DIY, and I could use this ribbon to do like this, to do like this, to do like this, or a belt. Anything you could do. So I'm keeping that. So alright, here we go. Oh my god. Take a breath because I'm so excited. So where's the oven? Oh, guys, it's like the same as the Chanel Fluff. So that's a good one. Oh my god. Oh, I thought it was straight to see the bag, but it's actually wrapped in also in another red ribbon. How cool. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's stuck. I mean, it's detached with the ribbon into the box. So I guess you just have to open it. Here we go. Oh my god, I want you to see it. Okay, so that's the box. Let me just put aside there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So that's the Valentino right there. You know, I like to smell the new bag. So I'm so excited. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say just now. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the one I like so much. I never see this bag since we left in London because I don't want to see it. I want to make sure it's all good. The background, the lightning. Oh my god, are you ready, guys? Okay, let me turn it in the other way. I wanted to see the same time. I'm going to put this pillow. Alright, are you ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm so loving it. Oh my god. Hi. How are you, baby? You look so pretty. I'm in love with you already. Oh my god, I'm so loving it. This is my first time of Valentino, guys, and that's why I'm so loving it. It's a Poudre color, so it's like a light pink. Oh my god. I can sleep good now. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry for overreacting, but this is how I am. When I open a bag, I'm just so happy and excited. Oh my god, look at that. Isn't she beautiful, my Valentina? Oh my god. Let me just turn the other way. So that's the Valentino as well over there. Oh. I love you so much. I don't know, I'm speechless. Okay, let me open it. I'm bad. I love to smell anything. So, paper. So this is how it look like inside. And there's a two booklet. What is this? This is one. Oh, there's a hook. There's a hook if you broke some of your stud, I guess. And this one is, oh, it's just a paper of, I guess, how to taking care of this leather. I'm just gonna put it back here. You know, when I got to the shop, I only seen a pink, red, and green something. And I was asking the guy if you have the pink one, because that's what I've been looking at the online, and he went at the back and he found one, just one. So I'm just so lucky to have this one, and it's meant for me. That's what I always do when I go to a shop. If the bag was not there, then it was not meant for me. So this bag, it was meant for me. That's why she's there waiting for me to be picked up. I love it so much. I know you can't see color, guys, but it's like a light pink and kind of nude. It's beautiful. I like the color. I love it. I wanted to choose the pink, like a bit dark pink, but I have already a Louis Vuitton, which is the Alma Pink, which is the same color. So yeah. So I'm just gonna show you. That's the front. I still have the sticker on. That's the back. I mean the side. And that's the back. And then the other side. And you know why I like this bag too, guys? You can use as a shoulder, a crossbody, and you can use it as a clutch. You can remove this one and use it as a clutch like this. So let's talk about the size of this bag. I have it here. So the width, this one over here, is 22.5 centimeter, and the height is 15 centimeter, and the depth over here is 6 centimeter. And this is made from Italy, and the leather is a grainy calfskin leather. I'm just gonna show you closer. So that's how it looked like, the leather. And it's called Small Valentino Garavani Rockstud with crossbody, and the rockstud is platinum finish stud and a hook closure. And then there's a clip over here to open, and there's a big wide open, and the inside is I think it's a cotton lining, and there's a small pocket over here, and the strap is adjustable as well. You can adjust it, it depends your height. Yeah, that is so beautiful. I love it. So I'm gonna show you how I wear it too. So the price for this bag is 865 pounds. It's not too bad for the price. So I'm gonna show you for the last time the bag closer. And the inside, right there, there's a saying there, Valentino as well, made in Italy. So yeah, that's the bag. I'm just so happy. I don't know when I'm gonna wear it. We'll see. I might have a nice meal date with my husband and I'm gonna wear it. So I'll be updating you in the photo for this one, and I don't even know what I'm gonna wear yet. So yeah, that's it. I'm so excited, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please do subscribe, and also comment if any question would you like to ask, and also don't forget to thumbs up, and please press that button, you know, the notify, so you could always have update with my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon, and hope you're having a fabulous day, and bye bye. Mwah.